Welcome to today's DataVail webinar, and thank you for attending. Today's webinar is titled How to Enable Commentary in OBIEE, and we are excited to have David Chadwick, DataVail's Director of Business Development, presenting today. David, I'll go ahead and turn it over to you.
Thank you, Jane. Hello, everyone, and thank you again for taking the time to view this presentation on how to enable commentary in OBIEE. As Jane mentioned, I am Dave Chadwick, Regional Account Manager for the Oracle Analytics Professional Services Group of the DataVail Corporation, a certified Oracle Platinum partner. DataVail provides a family of services, including database services, analytics, application data integration, implementation and customized development, knowledge sharing and training services. My group specializes in the IT capacity services that support your entire Oracle Analytics platform, including OBIEE applications, Hyperion, data warehousing, data integration services, and more. We're also the developers of two very useful software tools, BI Monitor and BI Teamwork. Briefly, BI Monitor enables 24/7 monitoring of your OBIEE environment with a configuration-based approach. It collects in real time key statistics in a graphical mode, provides color-coded statistics reports based on pre-configured thresholds that quickly highlight any health issues with your OBIEE environment. Our focus today, however, will be on BI Teamwork, the plugin that enables commenting and annotations within your OBIEE application. Because Oracle BI is a great tool for sharing what your data is saying. But often, the CFO, the analyst, or the forecasters need to know why the data is saying what it's saying, creating a need for collaboration from the contributors of the data in OBIEE. And BI Teamwork is the best way to do that without having to leave or exit OBIEE for a separate application, effectively putting everything you need to know in one place to make an informed decision that includes the very latest updated information. So before diving in, let me mention two quick things. First, if you have any questions regarding any of the features and functionality of BI Teamwork, our OBIEE commenting tool, just email your questions to either of the addresses on the screen, and we will get the answers out to you with dispatch. And second, if you would like a trial version of BI Teamwork or BI Monitor, just send your request using your corporate email address to either of the addresses being displayed on your screen, and we will send the download link out to you right away, as well as setup and installation instructions. Now, BI Teamwork enables 4 different types of commentary and several features for BI users, and we're going to take a high-level look at the commentary capabilities and some of the features. Let's begin the presentation with a feature we call the Environment Eye. So what you're seeing right now is a BI Teamwork enabled OBIEE dashboard. It's like any dashboard you might see deployed at any company, and this shows how seamlessly BI Teamwork integrates with the OBIEE look and feel your customers are already used to. But there are a few differences I'd like to point out. We created the Environment Eye because companies have multiple BI environments like dev, test, stage, production. And sometimes users or even developers get confused as to which environment they're working in as they switch from one to another during their workflow. This can be very problematic. So BI Teamwork gives you the ability to label each environment with an exclusive identifier. It's this orange bar across the top that says Test Environment. You can give each environment a different color, and there are other options to the Environment Eye feature, including the option to disable it. You may have also noticed a few extra buttons in the global header. What we've done there is embedded additional comment functionality, so it's simple and easy to start entering a comment. And speaking of comments, as I mentioned earlier, there are basically 4 different types of comments that BI Teamwork enables. They are dashboard or dashboard page comments, cell annotations, inline cell comments, and dynamic dashboard documentation. So let's begin with dashboard or dashboard page comments. Okay, again, this is a typical BI dashboard, but I'd like you to notice what's down at the bottom right corner of the dashboard. This is what we call the collaborative toolbar. And when you click over here in the corner, it launches this panel where you can manage your dashboard and dashboard page comments. You can start a new comment just by clicking in the blank field and start typing. Now, this is a dashboard level or dashboard page comment. So this type of comment might be just a general statement or created to alert people about something that's happening on the dashboard or how to use something new on the dashboard, things like that. And when you're done typing, just click post and you'll get a message up top confirming that your comment was saved. And down below in the activity log is the comment we just created along with all the other comments posted by users to this dashboard page. You'll also find a couple of other very interesting options you can use in the activity log section. For instance, just like on some social media sites such as LinkedIn or Facebook, BI Teamwork gives users the ability to vote up or like a comment they've found useful. Just by clicking like, this little window here will pop up. Click OK, and now you will note that the like count has increased by 1. So the use case behind this option is for the user's acknowledgement of value. When you leave a comment, you want 2 things to happen. First, you want people to notice your comment. And secondly, you want people to understand the contribution being made to the information on the dashboard. This vote up or like option provides a real-time metric by which the usefulness and effectiveness of a comment can be measured. It also promotes more active involvement by more BI users, which is at the heart of a collaborative BI environment. You also have the ability to reply to a comment by clicking on the reply link located beneath the comment you wish to reply to. That opens this window in which you can type your reply to a specific comment. Once you're done, click Post Reply, and now you can see that the count of replies has increased by 1. And if you click on replies, you will see the reply you posted to this comment, as well as any other replies that have been posted to this particular comment. You can also see a timestamp showing when the reply was posted and by whom. Now, if you click on this menu here, it reveals 3 additional options, which allows you to make a comment editable or mark it as a draft or delete the comment if you are an administrator or the creator of the comment. It might also interest you to know that all comments created by the BI Teamwork system are stored in a relational database repository. It's a very small footprint with practically no extra overhead to your IT department. They just set it and forget it. And because of this design, you can search comments and retrieve them very easily. You can even create your own subject area based on the commentary structure and create reports inside of Oracle BI about the data you're commenting on. You can also do things like filtering on keywords. Your results of all comments on this dashboard page containing your keyword will appear down below the search box. This type of dashboard page commenting is great during UAT because it provides a platform for feedback on a dashboard that everyone can see. It's also great for justifying a dashboard. People can enter comments about things they see that may need further review or updating. So those are the basics of what we call dashboard or dashboard page comments. The next type of commenting is called cell annotations. In this dashboard, you see a table here with data displayed in the cells, and a couple of the cells are filled in with a yellow background. And there are also flame icons in the upper left corners of those cells, indicating that a comment has been left there. By the way, all the colors and icons can be easily customized to fit your liking. And if you hover over a cell, you can view the comment, see who made it, and when. Now, here is how you would actually create a cell comment or annotation. Just go up here to what we call the cell highlighter. Click there, select the cell you'd like to annotate, click inside it, and that gives you access to annotate that cell using the advanced editor. With the advanced editor, you can type a simple comment and submit that, or you can give your comment some dynamics using the feature functionality of the advanced editor. For example, you can add some bullet points. You can highlight and add color or bold text. Other features include formatting options, the ability to embed links, or even images. A wide variety of options to help give your comment impact. You can also determine who can see and reply to your comment based on categories. So if you think about taxonomy, maybe you're deploying this to the finance department, and maybe the finance department talks to other operations teams, and when you do reporting, you don't want your comments to be intermingled. So you can create a category that separates them. And you can also put security on those categories so that only people in finance can see and comment on finance categories, and people in consulting can see and comment on consulting categories, and so on. You can also notify people from the user list of Oracle BI using BI Delivers. Just search for whom you'd like to notify by name, group, or application role, and they will receive an email and a dashboard alert that your comment is available. And after you've finished creating your cell comment, just click Submit Comment, and right away you will see that now the cell you annotated has a yellow background and a flame icon indicating to all other authorized users that a cell comment exists regarding the data in this cell. And if someone hovers over it, they will be able to see, reply to, or like that comment. Now let's take a look at what we call inline cell commentary. Inline cell commenting allows you to place a comment in line or in the same row as the data your comment is referencing. This is possible using these two different inline cell commenting columns. In this example, we have one column for the CFO and the other column for the analyst. There are only two inline cell commenting columns in this example, but you can have as many as you wish. So let's enter a comment down here as the analyst. Click on Save Comment, and you'll see the successfully saved banner, and the comment appears in line with the data in the analyst column. And it works the same way in all the columns. And of course, you can enhance, edit, or update your comments in a variety of ways using the options found here in this menu. Finally, we have a type of commentary we call dynamic dashboard documentation. This gives the end user the ability to have an index page in every dashboard or alongside an existing report in a dashboard to dynamically update data and provide that to their departments or their users. And this is all part of the BI Teamwork API. Once it's set up by an administrator, you simply assign privileges to one or more of your power users, like the department owners of that dashboard. And they can edit as they like without any involvement from the BI administrator. For example, let's say on one of your financial reporting dashboards, you want to have an index page. And that index page content is about what's happening in the finance department today or what needs to happen. Those things may be important, but it's not really data. It's metadata, input from a power user who knows the departmental task or important changes to those tasks that need to be achieved. So the idea is to give that power user a way to share that type of information without the security risk that would come with giving them permission to actually edit the dashboard page. So this way, they have complete rich HTML functionality in the form of an index page. In this page example, in this index page example, they have a simple table, the ability to edit a header, do some quick formatting. They can add tables, and they can add imagery. Again, a wide variety of functionality. So those are the 4 basic types of commentary enabled by BI Teamwork and some of their functionality. Now, I'd like to cover, again at a high level, a few technical and administrative items with you. But before we go there, let me say that as users become more and more familiar with BI Teamwork, they discover that it's loaded with many very useful functions as a result of feedback from our customers all around the world. So I'd like to briefly show you 2 of the most popular features according to BI Teamwork customers. First is this feature we call Embedded BI. So if you look at the URL here, you'll note that this page is not part of the OBIEE portal. It could be, for example, from the company intranet or SharePoint. But what we've done is created the ability to take any local BI report or dashboard or chart or graphic and display that information on any intranet page or any website page anywhere without compromising the security protocols in place for OBIEE access. So what you're looking at now would be a real-time rendering of data coming out of OBIEE. And we can even add some additional logic on top of it so that wherever you embed this particular report of a dashboard, you can also display to your users exactly what it is they're looking at. The information being shared via the embedded BI feature is also dynamic. So as the information in BI updates, so does the information in the embedded display. Also, with BI Teamwork, all users will see what we call a splash page when they first log on. This splash page will show up on every BI dashboard or every BI report to notify customers of changes, activities, or even events that may be important to many BI users. For example, if there was a delay in loading up the data warehouse and the OBIEE data is stale, or if there is a new dashboard that's just been released, things like that. You can modify anything in the splash page with HTML text. You can put videos in there. Any information that all BI customers need to know can be delivered efficiently using the splash page. The splash page and its message will appear on every BI screen the user goes to until they acknowledge it by clicking "Please don't show this message again today unless the content changes," and that will stop it unless it says the administrator changes the message. So to wrap up the presentation, everything you'll need to manage, configure, reconfigure, or control BI Teamwork can be found on the BI Teamwork tab of the Oracle OBIEE Administrative Panel. With BI Teamwork, when you get the installer, we also provide a Quick Start RPD and a Quick Start web catalog. It's similar to the sample app that Oracle provides, where you have a pre-built RPD and a pre-built web catalog. Or even more analogous is the Oracle BI Usage Tracking RPD, which is a quick start, and you can build on top of that, and you have some quick web catalog reports, and you can build on top of that, and so on and so on. That's kind of what we provide in the installer for BI Teamwork. Also, all the commentary information entered into the BI Teamwork system is captured and stored in a relational repository with what we call context sensitivity. In other words, all the information visible when posting the comment, including but not limited to who posted it and when, the prompts selected, such as year, brand, product, whatever it is, are all captured in context, which allows for very dynamic commentary reporting. And it's all capable of being exported to Excel, PowerPoint, PDFs, and more, and can be printed in a wide assortment of options. So there you have a quick, high-level view of what BI Teamwork can do. It works right out of the box on most or on both 11G and 12C versions of OBIEE and generally meets 99% of a customer's commentary requirements. If you would like to learn more, just go over to biteamwork.com or contact me via email or phone. My contact information is on screen right now. If you'd like a more detailed presentation, I can arrange a one-on-one session for you and your team with the lead architect of BI Teamwork, either online or on-site. And by the way, when we visit you on-site, lunch is on us. So in closing, thank you very much for your time and attention. Don't forget to take advantage of the 30-day BI Teamwork trial. Just email your request directly to me, and I'll take care of it. This is Dave Chadwick with the DataVail Corporation, and I look forward to hearing from you today.
Thank you, David. We really appreciate you taking the time to share your expertise with everyone, and thank you to all of our attendees. If you have any questions about DataVail, BI Teamwork, or our BI and analytics support services for OBIEE, OBIA, or Hyperion, please visit DataVail at www.datavail.com or contact us at 866-583-3788. We look forward to helping you manage your data so you can manage your business.